Gold and silver yet again traded bearish yesterday, where interestingly gold has failed to breach the lows it has created day before, that is at 2682. We have seen it reversing from 2685, 86 levels, while silver has hit lower lows and it has moved towards 2875, 80, the next support zone. What to expect now from metals today? Can we expect a rise and a retracement, or it is going to crash further? Big day again today. The core PCE data, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, is going to get released today. That is definitely set the stage zone. And today again the volatility is definitely going to remain high. Today is a triple witching day, where the quarterly, monthly, weekly options getting expired today, and it's a massive expiry today. Do trade with caution. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. This is the first update. The next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Do watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch what's happening on the hourly charts for gold here. You can notice this. See the lows here, then now higher lows are getting created on the hourly charts, and higher highs are also seen. So I can say, if you connect the dots, you'll find this is the channel it is trying to create. Now first the median, it needs to break. It should breach and trade first about 2610 levels, 2610, 2612, and then towards 2620. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to a move towards 2630, 32 as well. Possibility exists strong. Now what's happening on the hourly charts? If you notice, see, it is under retracement. After this drop, this is under retracement. So immediately it needs to trade about 260406. That is going to be the first milestone, then 261012, and beyond this certainly little more bullishness may prevail. Look at the formation here: drop, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. So this zone at 260406 is something you should watch out for any entry on the buy side. The stochastic has retraced here. The MACD is rising after the crossover, looking upwards, suggesting little retracement on the cards. RSI is looking upwards as well. Coming to 2 hour, when you see the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation. So now this makes this zone towards 2590, 2588 as the first support for the day. Below this 2582, 84, and then if this is taken, then we are looking forward to another round of big drop. This time the drop can be sharp enough for gold prices to plummet towards 2571, 2560, or in fact lower levels. Right now, if you notice what's happening, see, every time prices diverge from the 20 period is giving it a very good resistance here. So this is what you should notice. Where is the 20 period sitting here? Close to 2610 level. So this is a zone where it may get, first it will try to achieve this, second it is going to get a stronger resistance there. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossed over here at the bottom, trading with little divergence, suggestive of slight bullishness on the charts. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts again, see, after the drop, retracement, after the drop, see, good enough consolidation has happened here. And if you look at the candles here, you will find higher lows and higher highs. Very, very important. Now see, here also the 20 period sitting at around 1620 levels should be a good resistance. If it trades about 2610-12, you can look forward to 2616, 2620 levels. And if these two are taken, you can look forward to a complete reversal, where the prices can in fact move towards 2630, 32, or 40 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence. What's happening here? Prices are just willing to retrace. It will wait for the moving average to come down. It will retrace towards moving average, and then it will decide the direction here. Now notice what has happened here. Then here it is waited for the 20 period to come down, then again a good retracement towards 20 period, and it is trying to bounce back up again. So yes, a possibility of a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit the lows here. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. And if you look at the RSI, this is come out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. Remember, now see, these two candles are very, very important. Look at this. None of the candles closed below 2588, 2586 levels. Now this is very, very important. This makes this zone here at 2588 is a critical support for the day. A drop below 2588 is a sign that we may see further bearishness today. You should be careful about that. Now if you look at, so far it is trading with this retracement, and a possibility of a move towards 2606, 2610 levels exists. Beyond this, we can look forward to 2620 again. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD traded bearish here. RSI is flat at bottom. And when you see the daily, now before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. See what has happened yesterday. First of all, a big inverted hammer is seen here. Second, and see very small body suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. Look at the wick here. Second thing to note here is connect the lows here. You will find a beautiful connection here. This also makes this zone at 25.90.88 as a pretty strong support zone. Now higher lows suggest that there could be a little recovery. But as soon as it breaks below 25.90.88, we can say there could be another round of greater fall which can take the prices further on the downside. So be mindful of this. Right now it appears after the decline it is under retracement. It can try to move towards 26.10, 26.20 levels again, and this is something you should watch out for. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple. I'll recommend you to buy here at see, you can buy 2602, expect 260506 first, 2610, 12 second, 2615, 16, and 2620 till 20. See, uh, now you can see when the resistances are tightly placed on the upside, you can say definitely it requires a lot much of power on the upside for it to break these levels. And once 2620 is taken this time, 2625, 26 next, and 2630, 32 next. If these levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to 2640 as well. This is also possible, and it can show you a recovery towards 2640, which is also the 20 period moving average. And see, the moving average is crossing over here, definitely is a bearish sign. So that is on the upside. What about the downside here? I'll recommend you to sell here at 2592 levels, below which you can expect 2588. And if 2588 is taken, then 2584.82, the next target should appear. Below 2584.82, stay short for 2571 and then 2560 levels. Yes, this time if it breaks the zone, we are looking forward to a greater correction, and below 2560, 2540 levels are the next targets very soon. Trade accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Now when you see silver on the hourly chart, see lower highs, lower lows are there. It has formed a nice flag, and now it needs to trade about 2910, 2920 zone. If these two levels are taken, you can say silver is trying to reverse, and once it trades about 2910, 2920, we can look forward to 2950, 60 as the next targets, which were the resistance earlier, which were the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance again for the day. And yes, I think once it breaks out of this flag formation, we can look forward to a good rise. The stochastic flat here, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, now trying to diverge, stay bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, signs of bullishness are here. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, drop, sideways movement, drop, side retracement, drop, retracement. So you can also notice it is creating a nice channel on its own. This is a bearish channel, and once it trades above this zone towards 2920 levels today, 2940 and 60 levels, then you can say it's now silver is reversed. As long as it stays below 2920 and 2950, 60, you should not be treating silver as bullish. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for buy. It has formed a double bottom. It is looking upwards. It can try to retrace a little. RSI is staying oversold here. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same on the 3 hour charts. Look at what is happening. See, after this is a reversal sign, then the rise, then the retracement. Now trying to break out here, and that is why I say if you see silver trading about 2910, the lower price is about 2910, 2920, we can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 2940.50, and in fact 2940 and 2960 levels rather. Beyond 2960 is where the bulls are waiting. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over though. RSI is staying oversold, trying to recover here a bit. On the 4 hour, similar observation here. See, one bullish candle retracement, and now it trades. In fact, even if you see it is staying above 2910, we can look forward to 2925, 2940, and 2960 levels here. And then beyond this, it may try to continue with the reversal. If you look at the formation here, drop and sideways movement, it is waited for the 20 period to come down. Now drop, it is waiting for the 20 period to come down, and hitting 2960 levels again. This possibility is there. It will wait for the 20 period to come down and hit these levels here. Stock IST coming out of the oversold zone. MACD trading bearish. The RSI is staying oversold here. Coming to on the daily chart, see diminishing bullishness. Second thing is preceding candle is a swing candle. Third is higher lows are done. It may try to move towards lower highs. Lower highs means 2940, 2960 zone. And see, this swing suggests that it can deliver another massive bearish candle. Be mindful of this swing here suggests that it can deliver another massive bearish candle hitting the highs at 2940, 2960. We can see prices reversing, but not if it trades about 2960. I think chances will be high that 2980 will be seen, and if that is taken, it is on the path of a recovery and a reversal. So as long as 2960 and then 2980 again, beyond this it is a reversal, else it is still not a reversal, because once it breaks beyond 2980, then you can say we are looking forward to 3020, 3050. Chances for such a strong reversal appears to be less. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. So considering this, I'll recommend you to buy here at 2910 levels. Expect 2920, 25 first, 2940, 2960 and 2980 levels. I think greater resistances will be available till towards 2980. Second thing is 2940, 60 zone is achievable today. That should get achieved, and at that point we'll see how it behaves. Possibility of a reversal exists from those levels. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry only below 2880 levels. When you see it trading below 2880, you can take a selling entry. Expect it to move lower. How low? See, below 2880, I will look forward to ideally 2850, 40 zone. That is the possibility I am exploring at. And thus, if it trades below 2880 level, certainly more bearishness should prevail. 2840.50 is achievable, and then $28 levels is also the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.